Filipino, sir.
Like only Filipino can eat here.
Yes.
Me, I cannot eat here. Thank you.
Hello mga habibi, this is really alarming. Shout out to Excel Khalifa, okay? I know that every one of us really, to those people who are inspiring as a social media creator or as a blogger or you want to be famous in the social media. This is really for you. This message is for you, Mr. Excel Khalifa. I think you are from South Africa, so I don't know which continent. So this is for you. Before you posting a video, like you need to get fame or whatever do you want it for, or what is your purpose behind this video, because I saw your video, I felt so sad as a Filipino. Don't say you're posting like a content like racism Philippines. What is that? Before you put some, video content, you must think before you posted anything. Always want sympathy, or you want only for fame. You're just posting like, okay, you don't know that maybe you are in the airport, some comment on your video, that video saying that, oh sir, this is OFW Lodge. So before you posting video, creating video, don't take it advantage. Don't say, you really wanted to have more views or to subscribe to you, but you're doing something. It's a big red flag, Mr. Excel Khalifa. You know already from the beginning. If I'm not mistaken, you are in the airport and you see this OFW Lodge, like a restaurant. So you didn't mention this restaurant or blah blah and so on. You're just saying racism Philippines, like discrimination for you. Being a black is not a big deal. I love people what color you are. It's not a big deal for you, for everybody. Oh my God. Not foreign tourists or foreign social media creator or a blogger who went to the Philippines just saying bad. Same like what you did. You know already from the beginning. Oh my God. You know already from the beginning that is a OFW Lodge. So we just posted, oh, this is really good for an OFW in the Philippines, like, to those people, organization or government who make this kind of, a free food from those OFW who are working abroad, and those new OFW who are going to abroad to stay this restaurant or OFW Lodge to eat for free. And there's also bed for those OFW who are tired to relax and to comfort, like that, blah blah. This is really especially for OFW Filipino workers. This is exclusively like that. Don't say